Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to build an AI chatbot inside GoHighLevel. Creating a chatbot helps us automate responses, capture leads around the clock, and provide instant support to website visitors without manual work. Let's get started. From the GoHighLevel dashboard, we go to AI Agents. Click on AI Agents on the left side of the page. When we see it, we click it. Next, we go to Conversations AI. We can pick any Conversations AI option. We can create our first conversation agent. Once here, we just need to click the Create Bot button. We can build a bot using a flow-based builder, a prompt-based builder, or the guided form setup. For this tutorial, we use the guided form setup. We can choose General Q&A, Booking, or another option, Continue. Brand name. We enter the name of the brand, company. For example, example. Then our company email. Let's use exampleecompany.com. Company address, for example, Cebu. Phone number is just our location, business hours. We can set these here. Next, we choose the voice of our bot, professional, friendly, trustworthy, or confident. Let's choose confident. We can also add extra information, like the target audience. When finished, we add the type of business. For example, if the business is food catering, we enter food catering. When we click Save, we are done. We click Save, and now we have our first bot. We can edit it if needed. Then click Next. Here are the bot settings. We set the response time in seconds and choose the channels. When finished, we click Next. Here is the information collection, booking goals, and description. When done, we click Save. As we can see, the bot is created successfully. We just need to save and then close. Now we have a bot that can chat and GoHighLevel. Once our chatbot is live, make sure to test different conversations and optimize it for better engagement and conversations.